Hello everyone, and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. My name is Martin and I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about some very good news for an electric vehicle charging company that is selling at an extremely cheap price. I do think that this is a great future opportunity to hold into the future. We will be talking about Volta, ticker symbol VLTA. It did just have its earnings reports on Friday, and it had actually very good results, moving this company into the future. Now, we have seen a lot of bad news in this company, especially in the past few months. They just lost its CEO. They just had a huge turnover, a huge management change that has really crippled the stock. But moving forward, I do think that it has great opportunities, especially at these price points that we are now. So before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow the channel. Down below, I have some awesome free promotions using my link to Moomoo, and I also do have a very nice link to get you some free literature, some free articles on growth dividend stocks. You can put your email address in there and I will email you some very good, important information on some dividend stocks into the future that will help your portfolio. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Volta, ticker symbol VLTA. As I mentioned, this company has had a huge downward pressure. Just this year alone, we are down more than 70% in this stock. Its 52-week low is $1.70. Just Friday alone, just yesterday, once the earnings reports did come out, the stock actually went up by 15%. Now, a lot of stocks have been beaten down. Again, we are going through the difficult times. Inflation is really hurting, and it will continue to hurt. But is this a good time to buy? I do think that Volta should be on your watch list as a good potential EV stock charging investment, again, into the future. So very big, important things that we have heard from that earnings call, the earnings report, is that Volta is starting to have some very nice partnerships. If you're not familiar with Volta, they are an advertising company. They do have that charging system, but they also have huge screens on their EV charging stations that allow advertisers to pay a monthly fee to advertise on their channel. But the big news is that they are having some very big names in advertising space. They are having Pepsi Cola, they're having Aetna Insurance, they are having a lot of people. Disney, I believe, is going to be advertising on them. So they have actually secured a lot of good advertising companies that will provide some very nice revenue in addition to the EV charging revenue. So very big things to look for. I was very excited to see that with Volta. I did actually add on some shares right before the trading bell. Actually, on, I believe it was Wednesday, I did buy Volta for right under $2. So again, to keep this stock long term. But again, I did just buy a little bit, don't go in heavy, but it does give us that buying opportunities. Also, what we did learn from the earnings call is that they have partnered up with Walgreens to start installing the charging systems of Volta in their in the parking lot. So again, very big things to look forward to, because they will have an agreement now to install about 1,000 charging stations at the beginning with Walgreens, and continually produce and install even more. So again, I do think that this is a very nice stock potential, especially it is beat down right now. We have had that huge sell-off. The market is still quite volatile. Will we start seeing some even more dips? I do think that we will have that seesaw look on the stock market, where we have some ups, we have downs. I think it's going to be this seesaw toothless pattern in the stock market, especially with these types of growth stocks. But this is a value stock. This is a great value. If you look at the 52-week high, it is over $14. 52-week low is $1.70. Right now, it is trading around $2, and I believe 12 cents is where it ended on Friday. So again, do your own due diligence, do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But I do think it has some nice futures ahead of itself, especially now that the earnings report did beat the Wall Street analyst expectations. It actually beat the earnings per share. It actually beat the revenue. So this company is a new startup company, but it will produce. Now, I did want to talk about some of the limitations on this company. Again, since it is a new startup company, it is a new company. Volta is actually not one of the biggest electric charging systems in the network. So again, they are having that big downward pressure against it because they are not one of the best and the leading. Now, again, they have that problem with management. They are currently looking for a CEO. So there are some futures ahead that are still quite volatile. So always, take a look at both the positives and the negatives on this. But again, take a look at this, put it on your watch list. Let me know what you think about this company, as I do think it has very nice future ahead of itself and future potentials there. But I hope that you did like something about this video. I hope that you did learn something new. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you can get all my latest uploaded videos. Down below, I have that link for Moomoo right now. If you open a brand new account, you can get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. If you keep a balance of $2,000 within 1 month, Moomoo will also give you a bonus of a free Twitter stock. So incredible opportunities right there to get some incredible free stocks. And as I mentioned, I do have a link down below where you can go to, you can put in information if you did want to learn more about some dividend growth stocks. It gives you a article that you can actually read. It's a very nice article to look into. And it does give you some nice companies that have some big potential growth, dividend growth into the future. There are different varieties in there. But take a look at that. I'll put that link down below as well. But again, thanks for watching, for supporting the channel. Have a great weekend, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.